everyone. This is University of Education Winneba 2026 Globalization Biology Group, and we are here to show you how to prepare a locally made Ghanaian fried chips. This is quite easy to make and everyone can do it at home. So for our ingredients, we have a cup of flour, teaspoon of salt, teaspoon of rosemary, garlic, onions. We have vegetable oil, we have curry powder, nutmeg, then a solution of salt and water, then we have solution of sugar and water. So right now we are going to make two versions of this made Ghanaian chips. I'm going to make the salt version and the sugar version. So from here we'll make another person to come and show us how the mixing is done. Thank you.
Okay, so as our brother started, we are coming to do local fried chips. So we have our ingredients here. We have our flour, we have our blended onion and garlic, we have our nutmeg and curry powder, and we have our baking powder too. So we are come to show you people how to make the local fried chips. So we'll start with our process. We'll use 4 cups of flour for today's local chips. This is our flour. As we say, every 4 cups of the flour. We'll be adding our curry powder. So we add some more amount of the baking powder to the flour. After that, we add our curry powder. After our curry powder, then we add our nutmeg. So after adding all the ingredients, then we mix everything together with the flour. So we'll add again our blended onion and the garlic to the flour. So we are going to the garlic blended to mix with the flour smoothly. The onion and the garlic blended has been added to the flour. After the onion and the blended garlic have been added to the flour, we add a little small of vegetable oil. So as we add the vegetable oil, you take your time to mix it with the flour.